Today I would like to introduce a 400 type double shafts paddles mixer. It adopts a twin shaft and twin helical blade design, which can perform strong shearing, convection, and diffusion, and can achieve full range uniform mixing of a material in 30 seconds. The efficiency is 50% higher than that of a single shaft mixer. It can be equipped with a variable frequency motor to adjust the speed and duration with one button. Its spiral blades are made of 1.2 cm thick high-manganese steel and are equipped with a high-precision gearbox. It is impact-resistant and wear-resistant and can work continuously for 8,000 hours without failure. The open port supports the installation of heating, dust removal, and spraying systems. It is suitable for harsh working conditions such as the organic fertilizer industry, feed industry, sludge, sand and gravel, and high-viscosity materials. In addition, our company mainly produces a complete set of organic fertilizer, compound fertilizer, bulk blending fertilizer equipment, which can provide 24-hour technical consultation, free design solutions, and 48-hour global after-sales response.